Hey, what's up? I'm Coval, and today we're gonna be exploring texture and volume with our Basics Acrylic. I have a series of things here, but I think I'm just gonna start with the basics. I'm gonna go with the base. And I really have been gravitating towards this blue today, so we're just gonna go in with that. And what I'm gonna be working with is my knife. Spread it a little bit here, just so that way I have more control. And then I'm just gonna go onto the canvas and just strike it. I like this because there's just so much potential here, and living in a city where there's just so much grit and texture, I just feel like this is the best part. So I'm just gonna get down my base here. Maybe I'm just gonna add it to the canvas. And the background that I'm creating is just really textural, and it's gonna set the tone for the remaining of the painting. I think I'm gonna go with like more of a contemporary style. So there's really no real or wrong way to do it. It's just however you feel. If there's gaps in your canvas, if there's little differences in weight or volume, that's fine, because when it's all said and done, it's just gonna create something that's really pretty. So I'm gonna go in with my pink, but then what I wanna do is I wanna mix it. Let's go with this modeling paste, because I wanna thicken it up. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. You see how it just thickens it. This is so much fun to play with. So what am I gonna do with this color? I'm not too sure. Maybe I just, and I spread it around. It's kind of therapeutic. So what if I wanted to add something that's a little different? Like, we have this textural moment, but what if I wanted to add more grit to it? I'm gonna go ahead with this coarse texture medium, and it's gonna give me a nice, coarse, gritty, more feel to the painting. And I'm gonna go in with this color, light blue violet. Mix it up. It's like working with sand, which is like really fun. This one, we're just gonna go into the corners and bring it down. This corner. So that's a nice base. What if I added some flowers? And being that it's spring, summer, it's only right that we pay a little homage to a new season that's upon us. So I'm gonna take this yellow. So I'm gonna go back with my modeling paste. I'm not gonna be shy. I'm just gonna go in there. Mix it up. That is thick body. And so when I put it onto the canvas, it's gonna create like very high peaks, more volume onto the canvas. Okay, abstract flower, but it works. It's like more like a starburst, but it works. It's definitely giving spring, summer. And then maybe we'll want to add like something here in the middle. I'll just use an orange. I'll take one of my brushes here. In the middle, I'm just kind of like spiraling it around. Not trying to disrupt what I've created a little bit. It's giving a little more balance. So maybe I'm thinking of creating just one tiny one right in the middle here. Texture, volume, vibrancy, we love it.